We're now going to be creating our first Python program. It'll be very simple, only a single line, and just print out the message, hello world. So if you've taken any other programming classes, you might have created a hello world program. This is just a very common first program. It'll be our first program as well. So what we do to write computer programs is to do so in a text file. Now you might be thinking like, okay, where is this text file? Well, the Jupyter Notebook system provides us a way to create and edit text files, so we're going to use it. We're going to move on to a little bit more advanced source code editor in some following videos, but for now, we'll just use this simple text file program that the Jupyter Notebook has. We're not going to write it in a notebook, so where we are here is a Jupyter Notebook. We're not going to write our Python programs in a notebook. We're instead going to write them in just a text file. So the way to access this text file is go back to the file system view, and then you're going to click new and then text file. So you should have this file system view tab over here. This is what I'm talking about, the file system view. If you don't, if you've accidentally closed it, just click on file and then open, and that will bring up this screen right here. So what we're going to do is on the right hand side, you'll see this new button. If you click on that, and you can go down here and you can click on text file like this, and that will create a text file. So it'll just be a blank file. There'll be nothing in here, and we're going to write a single line of code in it. Before we do that, we're going to change the name of the file. So just click on the name, and we're going to just change it to hello_world.py. So this extension py just lets us know that it is a Python file. And then for the first line, just click in here. We're going to put in print, and we're going to just type in the string hello world and have an exclamation mark at the end, and end the quote, and then end the parentheses. So this is Python code. It's just one line. Make sure you save it. So you can go to File, Save, or you can do Control S. That should save it. You'll have a little check mark there notifying you that it is saved. You can just go ahead and click out of this file like such. And if there's a message here saying you haven't saved, then you haven't saved it, and I just saved mine, so I don't have that message. And so that's it. That's how you do it. So again, you just go back to the file system view, you click new, and then text file. We can open it up again over here just by clicking on the file name, and you'll get back that text editor right here, and you can add more lines of code to it. All right, so that's it for creating our first Python program. We'll be running it in the next video.